back to work, back to play. Perfect. The next exercise is an external rotation of the shoulders. Most of us end up rolling in during the day, so it's really important to open it back up. When we roll in like this, it puts a lot of pressure on the nerves that come out to the hands. So a lot of times when people have carpal tunnel or weird elbow stuff, it's because of this rolled in position. So we want to open that up, give the nerves a bunch of space. And to do that, we're going to use a red band today. You'll just let it kind of drape over your hands, and then you'll roll it. You'll kind of do a flip and then go like that. So you'll see they're just kind of hanging there, but that's actually enough strength for you to go out like this. So you're doing external rotation of the shoulders. You'll hold it for a couple seconds out there and then back to neutral. Just show you one more time and then back to neutral. And you should be feeling it kind of here. There shouldn't be a lot of pain. It should be just more muscle activation sensation. And you'll do about 12 of those and then relax. And then later on in the day, do another 12. That'll help keep your posture upright, your lungs able to take in more oxygen. You'll be more alert to enjoy your day. Try that. Let's look at it next time you're in the office, but that should get you started.
Subscribe Proactive Chiropractic.